and well banning each potential affirmative form ke circan ke riet and counter ko michido shelat ke shenang barak ke riet commercial ke me tok ke verb form in past tense la verb form in past tense riet michalat michewa lo shela na wen dino she ko la no shelat la michelat jan ban right non la tege me present me ananga part ba ko chola tok abanje to gwada meni ka tok English kana tok nuare ke tok nat kan konwe ni ami jirami mo me jidit ka no language school don nyen chang nem ko ji gor jeno der channel der je support der subscribe dan ban je tok ngi nywa ga ni ko ken mi chawo I tok mulude gwada me chalar no shiana nang kanang la kona nang ajo kon wode kon lar ode anono en chanang di larno hen chanang I took la cherm di lar I took it en chanang ki chanang no me shi correct long no me I don't know correct one de kon use long hen chanang I took hen chanang one akam radian me mi shi larno we took malude chalaro chikon enang katong na dangwa ni nang aja mi shi larno we took shine nang shi di larna no shi neya nang we talk shine nang ala we lure no kon do no mi china we karwaj de nang ne de la ne na mani shine nang okay no me dera go ko de randa nyanga we talk shi kon nang ke shine nang de ro mo ka kel but I prepared this one chale shine nang de na me de use one ka to ko kena tene aname milala jeno nene you talk ala mm shunga ka female ala nuraji ka kwiuda am fm shunga ka kwi nyal ke chiri yobi chonga micha we you talk lonodi chijina nang chijin nanang duno ka to dan de kon laro de sometime shienang anono dio ne medala correct ka ta dan dong de ran de jananga ja shienang you talk it di lara you it micha it chala go you talk a check chienang name shijina nang katong nat name ne shan prepare long do no yota name long chienang jin chienang dong de jin de lat kwa me de go jin chienang alo chienang ramo you talk jin chienang ke chienang a check amu kon gwa me de kon buje you talk jen sembo chijina nang gwad me chijina nang ke chienang chirkatara ni kono nyot gwad mo non roje ke female la f roje ke female ke roje ke che ke kanyal mi chawo she took she ke nam roje ke kwinyal okay do no la nang ke jen chijen anang ko kon gwad me de kon cholbo chienang okay she took it chienang ajen chienang de kon la no ko shi te tende kon le jen shenang jen shenang lo node she took it ki she took de kon no mi kon gwas menyok de kon jego to kon ke you took jen the same formula ke tan dan kon nang yen you took ke plural lo no chi yenana ko you la ngwane mi ram ke de nang you bane de nang jen de no me plural la pl de nang chi yenana gor jeno bi dagdil bi nga you nang go dangro ka tok English amen tok na mura je karam kel bi jogo you me gane wan bi jogo you bi nang ande yen okay you gwad man lu ni yen he took he raja kenyam ka kwiuda ko yo bi chonga bi dagdil bi nga kene she gwad mura je ganyal he raja ko raja ke wood mi chaw he took si jen nang correct de dong ni laro de jen she nang okay he took jen chana de nang no correct top dan de nang mi chaw he took jen chana gwazame to kon ke they took gwazame malutkan ki malutka ko bikul tengan murung they took chicken nang ya they raje keken chicken nang correct anam chicken nang they took chicken nang ku ngai kon ka to dan kon night nat la gwalong no bado ba nang correct mi chala they took it Dangus ni ka took to cocaine guada, Michicon Gorguan Tejaler, they took incomplete, but if Chicon right, they Nicolarone, they took the key. No. Munakon Katum were de con Nang and a guada mene. Jen Riraniam, she can key nang. And Tama Decon and Chero, the gear guad mijin guija, Chicolaro the guada mene. They took the key. They took the key. Chicken. Manyame chicken nang. Right? Baname chicken key nang. Chikon degnante. Name chicken nang. Ken nang ame they. La ken they took nang. No micha nang. Chicken key nang. They degden dere ngajin. Please follow for more and tell you jiking ito dian biataman.